Look at these people all the way over there. We are walking towards them like cool people, except we're not that cool. Just like lame people, yeah. Cool story, bruh. Hello, Sarah.
Hi.
Where are we?
Summon City.
Why are we here?
Because it's fun.
Oh. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Meh. Meh. Meh.
Yeah.
I'm Rob.
No, you're Luigi.
Sorry, I'm Luigi.
Yeah.
It's me, Luigi.
Yes, brilliant. Do you want to plug your channel?
Strange Bob 2007.
Oh, nice. Oh, he's strange. And you, Bob? Or Rob?
Strange Bob 2007. Just search that or Robin Wells and you'll find me.
Hello, Sarah. Hello. Hello, Lucy. Hello. Okay, so we've now been in the place of the gathering of the place in the park, yes, for a while. And now we shall go eat food, so we have some food in our belly, because the only thing I've eaten today is half a waffle, and the only thing Sarah's eaten today is some chips. And it is not good for our bellies, we need some real food. Yes, it's quite nice having a park. You can just...
Oh, I'm just going to talk about parks.
Okay.
Having a big park where you don't have to be like surrounded by the city for a while.
Yes. Yeah.
You could basically just hide for a while. Nicely said. We only have small parks in Stockholm. Wherever you are, you still hear the sounds of traffic and people. Sometimes you just want to pretend you're in the country.
Okay, so we were at the game.
One eye always gets worse or better.
I'm gonna talk to the camera. And we had to leave a bit early because this contact is about to die and I need to be able to see, because sight is a good thing. Look, wait, I need to take off the stuff. Look, we have yellow things. It is nice. I like yellow things. Oh my goodness, you just planted into the earth. Are you alright? One moment. Okay, she was fine. Just a bit scraped. It's okay. She just totally just fell down from a little ledge. It was like a little tiny ledge. And she was like, woo, and then she fell down, and then she was on the ground. And that was the thing. Oh, I was
Straight forward.
But yes, it was a bit odd. What's odd? That she
just went back home.
Yes,
was like, no,
I don't. I'm so tired. Nothing I'm saying is making sense. I need to go home.
I used to have
by home I mean back to the hostel and sleep, because it is important.
Stepping on them. I was like, oh, I'm gonna just
whatever.